Today we will write numbers 1 to 50 in square line notebook. Write here today's date, that is 1-2-22. Write here classwork. In the next line we will write heading NOS numbers 1 to 50. Now leave one line and we will start from here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now leave one line and write here 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now leave one line and write here 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now leave one line and write here 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Next page. Write here 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
Today we will write draw circles 1 to 10 dodging in square line notebook. Write here today's date, that is 1-2-22. Write here classwork. In the next line we will write heading DRAW draw CIRCLES circles 1 to 10 dodging. Now leave one line and we will start from here.
From here. Write here 3. Put small dash in the next box. Leave one line. Write 5. Put small dash in the next box. Leave one line. Write 7. Put small dash in the next box. Leave one line. Write 9. Put small dash in the next box. Leave one line. Write 2. Put small dash in the next box. Leave one line. Write 4. Put small dash in the next box. Now we will draw circles. Which number is this? 3. So we will draw 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. Which number is this? 5. So we will draw 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which number is this? 7. So we will draw 7 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which number is this? 9. So we will draw 9 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Which number is this? 2. So we will draw 2 circles. 1, 2. Which number is this? 4. So we will draw 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hello kids, today we will draw a bird in our classwork square line notebook. So be ready with your square line notebook. For that, in the margin, we will write today's date. Today's date is 1-2-22. Write on the top classwork capital C dot capital W dot. From the next line, give heading a one finger space BIRD bird, a bird. For that, here we will leave 5 lines, and here we will draw slanting line like this. Now we will draw small curve, and again we will draw big curve like this, and here we will draw one small triangle. Now here we will draw again curve line. Now here we will draw small circle for eyes, and here we will draw big. For that, here we will draw slanting line. Now downside we will draw legs. For that, here we will draw standing line, slanting line, standing line, again standing line, slanting line, standing line, a bird.